Welcome to Chesterton. As we take a look at our manufacturing sites around the world, learn how we are a global solutions and service provider to our numerous industrial, municipal, and commercial customers in over 113 countries. Our roots began in the Boston, Massachusetts harborfront in 1884. Over many years, we have grown to serve Latin America, Europe, Middle East, Africa, and Asia. We offer local service with over 1,200 trained service specialists and technicians, 450 local sales and service locations, and 250 strategically located manufacturing and service hubs globally. Our outstanding track record of 140 years speaks for itself, along with our passion for providing our customers with reliable, cost-effective solutions and service offerings. Chesterton continuously innovates new products and engineered solutions to enhance equipment and process reliability and meet the ever-changing demands of critical operations. Our product offerings range from mechanical seals, packing and gaskets, and engineered polymer seals to industrial lubricants and protective coatings. We even offer equipment monitoring devices with actionable insights to track equipment health. All our products can be bundled to achieve maximum solution results in operational and cost-effective performance. Sometimes it's the less obvious things that can make a big difference. Just like our products and solutions, which help ensure reliable operation of all types of equipment and assets, our trained team of specialists work with you to identify the best solutions for your plant's toughest equipment and process challenges. Contact us today to speak with our industry-leading specialists about the best solutions for your equipment and operations. Go to chesterton.com to learn more.